there, it's Ashley from WTI. If you are looking for a great top coat and base coat for your gel polish, then I would highly recommend this one. This is from Makartt, and it comes in these 2.3 ounce bottles. The application on this is really easy to use and it works great. So you do need a UV or LED curing lamp to use this. I paired it with a hot pink gel polish. And what I like about this, because I have used different base and top coats before, and this does not leave any type of clumps or ripples in your polish or over top of it. And that's what I really like about this the most. It is very fast, so I just do 90 seconds for the base coat, 90 seconds for the top coat, and it turns out perfectly. So if you are looking to do a gel polish at home, then I highly recommend getting these. Get yourself a UV or LED curing lamp and save yourself a lot of money. But that's just my point of view.